In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under a limited liability company. So guys, we are going to focus on the subtopic, that is meaning and registration of business. Okay, so let's get started. We have about 18 to 20 questions to practice with. The first question I have here says, which of the limited liability companies have a limit of 50 members and do not issue their shares to the public? Where public limited liability, cooperative society, private limited liability, partnerships. The right answer is option C, private limited liability. Very important, guys. Okay, so that's for this question. Next question, this one. It says the term PLC implies that the share are available are available privately on the stock exchange, publicly in commercial banks, to the public at the company publicly on the stock exchange. The right answer is option D, publicly on the stock exchange. Next question, this one. It says a company that is registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission only without being enlisted on the stock exchange is A. So we have public liability company, registered company, joint venture company, limited company. So guys, the right answer to this question is option B, registered company. Okay, so next question is one. It says the document which advertises the shares of a company is known as a prospectus. Option D, very important. Next question is this one. It says which subject are you doing? This is commerce. Okay, option A. Next question is this one. It says a company that is registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission only without being listed on the stock exchange is A. So I think this is a question. This is a registered company. Okay, this question is one. It says entrepreneurship mainly involves risk taking. Option A. Next question is this one. It says a memorandum of association is applicable to a sole trader, partnership, public corporation, joint stock company. So the right answer to this question is option D. A memorandum of association is applicable to a joint stock company. Okay, next question is this one. It says the maximum number of shareholders in a public liability company is, since it's talking about public, not private, so it's unlimited. Okay, had it been private, it would have been 50, but since it's public, it's unlimited. Option A, very important. Next question is one. It says a proposed company may not be registered if it does not put limited after its proposed name. The name conflicts with that of another. It has no asset of its own. It's not paid up capital. Right answer is option B. The name conflicts with that of another. Next question is this one. It says the term PLC implies that the shares are available. This is a question. Okay, the shares are available publicly on a stock exchange. Okay, option D. This question is one. It says in Nigeria it is mandatory for all business enterprises to register with the Corporate Affairs Commission. Option C, very important, guys. Next question is one. It says after registration a certificate of trading is usually issued to partnership, private sole proprietorship, public company. So guys, the right answer to this question is that after registration a certificate of trading is usually issued to a public company. Option D. Okay, this question is one. It says an action taken by a company outside its objective clause is regarded as, so the right answer is ultra vires. Okay, option B, that's the right answer. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly, but that's the right answer. Ultra vires or ultra vires. I'm not sure, but that's the right answer, guys. Next question, this one. It says in Nigeria it is mandatory for all business enterprises to be registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission. Option B. This question. Which of the following is both direct and indirect credit enterprise? Where consumer cooperative society, wholesale cooperative society, retail cooperative society, cooperative and thrift society. Right answer is option D, cooperative and thrift society. Okay, next question is one. It says the issue of prospectus by a company is an invitation to members of the public to attend the company's annual general meeting, attend the company's board meeting, buy the company's product, subscribe to the company's shares. So the right answer is option D, to subscribe to the company's shares. Next question is one. It says in the formation of a limited liability company, the following documents are prepared except real statement of nominal capital, article of association, prospectus, Any of associations. The exception here is prospectus, option C. Next question is this one. It says the part of issued share capital that the company has asked the subscribers to pay for is we have paid up capital, nominal capital, authorized capital, called up capital. So the right answer to this question is option D, called up capital. The last question for end this video is this one. It says for a private limited company, the minimum number of shareholders is 2, option C, whereas the maximum is 50. Okay, take note of this, guys. So this basically can do problems involving limited liability companies. For your JAMB commerce, we dealt with the subtopics meaning types and registration of business for this topic. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you're subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. So like, share and comment on this video. Let me know if you what you're learning from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. So ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button and getting information and help you to excel your exams like your JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the next button and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.